Naghahanap ka ba ng affordable condo investment sa Parañaque na sulit ang location at budget? Welcome to Field Residences by SMDC, one of the best communities in Parañaque, especially for first-time buyers, OFWs, and investors. Bakit maraming clients ang pumipili ng Field Residences? Una, prime location. Matatagpuan ito along Dr. A. Santos Avenue at walking distance lang sa SM City Sucat. Ilang minuto lang din papunta sa Airport, Entertainment City, Makati, BGC, Alabang, schools, hospitals, at iba pang major establishments. Kaya napakaganda ng location para sa sariling tirahan o kaya naman ay paupahan. Pangalawa, hindi lang ito ordinaryong kondominium. Ang Field Residences ay may resort-inspired amenities tulad ng swimming pools, landscaped gardens, jogging paths, playground, basketball court, function rooms, at 24/7 security. Dito, mararamdaman mo ang comfort, convenience, at quality lifestyle na hinahanap ng bawat pamilya. At kung investment ang pag-uusapan, malaking advantage ang location nito dahil mataas ang demand sa rentals. Maraming professionals, airport employees, at families ang naghahanap ng matitirahan sa area kaya may magandang potential for rental income. Ang pinakamagandang balita, pwede kang magkaroon ng sariling SMDC condo for as low as 14,000 piso monthly. Yes, tama ang narinig mo. Sa halagang halos katumbas lang ng buwanang renta, nagsisimula ka ng mag-invest sa sarili. Property na may pagkakataong tumaas ang value habang tumatagal. Kung matagal mo ng pangarap magkaroon ng sariling condo, magkaroon ng passive income, o mag-invest habang affordable pa ang presyo, ngayon na ang tamang panahon para kumilos. I'm Hira Ladones from SMDC Team MJL International. I can help you choose the best unit and explore all the available payment options that fit your budget. Message me today to schedule your free consultation. Don't miss this opportunity to own a condo in one of the most affordable and promising communities in Parañaque. Your future investment starts here at Field Residences by SMDC.